In today's video, we're going to take a look at StormGain and to see how much we can make with it and are the rumors true. To be honest, there's many websites out there that make promises about making money, but in reality, you don't earn that much. But since I saw that StormGain had a massive following on Trustpilot and great ratings, I thought I'd check it out and do a video on it and let you guys know if it's any good. Now, first off, you can see that they do have a lot of reviews and some are good, some are bad, but most of them are really good. Now, you can't be sure if they ask customers for reviews or even pay people to give good reviews. There's no way for us to tell, but what you need to know is that StormGain is a cryptocurrency trading platform. So this is just another cryptocurrency exchange. But one feature that they do have, which I do like, and that other platforms don't, is that they have Bitcoin mining and it's happening on a cloud. Honestly, that's a good feature to have. You can mine on your own cloud and you don't need to spend money or fill your apartment with mining rigs. So you're basically renting it. You rent your space on their cloud miner, and to be honest, these rigs are extremely expensive. And if you want to get involved in that, well, it's too late for a big investment because there's not many Bitcoins left to mine. And secondly, you need a lot of money to start. Check this out. I found this rig on Amazon and it's the cheapest one. It's around $800. Now look at this one over here, over $7,000. Now that's just too much money to invest. Look at these. They all range from $800 to $8,000. So if you wanted to start crypto mining, then it would be best for you to rent your space. And I don't want you to misunderstand me. Crypto is back. BTC is at over $30,000. For example, let's check the price of BTC over the last few months. If you click on it, you will actually see the price went down to around $16,000 to $17,000. That was when everyone was panicking and everyone started dumping their crypto. They basically just lost faith in it. But look at it now, it's gone from 16,000 to over 30,000. And now of course we don't know what the future holds and we don't know for sure what will happen, but it looks good for now. Personally, I just hope Bitcoin is around for a long time. Now let's go back to StormGain and see if we can make some money with this platform. So this is the Bitcoin Cloud Miner. This brilliant feature that this cryptocurrency exchange has, as it says here, earn free Bitcoin daily by reaching certain trading volumes and increasing your mining speeds. So that's the key word. Okay, so you need to reach certain transaction volumes on the website to increase your mining speed. Now straight away you can see there's something eye-catching about that. But let's take a look at it. It says you can mine up to 0.03 Bitcoins per day. Let's do some quick math. Let's go to the BTC calculator. So 0.03 Bitcoin equals to around $850 per day. Now if you had any experience with crypto mining, you'd know right away that that's a lie, right? $850 a day, that's definitely not possible. Okay, well there's something dodgy going on, so let's check out what this is. Let's check what this certain trading volume actually is and how much money can we get if we can get any. So here's the thing, you have to trade on this platform. So the more you trade, the higher the mining speed you get. So you can see there's also like different tiers. There's the gold, platinum, diamond, VIP and VIP 3, and you can immediately see that they are using it to attract customers to their exchange platform. So they will pay out a part of the money if you continue to trade on the platform. And as you can see, this is your mining speed. So the trading volume needed for the standard version is 0, but your daily income will be 0.27 USDT, which is around 1.9 USDT on a weekly basis, which actually means that in 1 month you only get around $8. So that's $8 for doing nothing, right? It's still a little bit, but it's really no good for us. You can use that to cover some exchange fees maybe. But if you go for gold or platinum or even diamond, then you can get a significant amount of money. But to be honest, this is the max you'll ever get, because going VIP 1 or VIP 2 is going to be impossible. Because look at this. If I go VIP 1, it says I can make $600 a month just by trading, but you need a trading volume of $7.5 million. That's just an insane amount. So I think diamond is the maximum we'll be able to do, and 2.5 million is possible in a period of around 1 year maybe. It basically depends how much you trade on the exchange. I don't know, maybe you are a cryptocurrency enthusiast, maybe you just short cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, or maybe you just do a lot of these things to keep it going. I don't know. It's your choice how long you spend on the platform. If you are a good trader, you can get an extra $200 USDT per month just for trading. So if you're an active trader, $200, I mean, it's not that bad. It's still passive income. You do nothing and get $200. It is an interesting option. I think most people will stay with this or even stay here. So let's just say they stay here, for example, and it can earn you $50 per month, which of course isn't too bad. I mean, you get $50 for free, right? But let's face it, I mean, it can be a waste of time. Investing my time in something getting $50 a month, to be honest, I wouldn't do it. But don't get me wrong, maybe $50 isn't enough in some countries, so it's up to you. So to get started with this, like any other trading platform, you just need to create an account, register, and press the activation button. I'm sure you won't miss it, and repeat the operation. Okay, so you increase your mining speeds whilst trading. I won't go into the signing up process. I'm sure you already know how. So on this website, you also have the staking option. It's like locking up your money, but you can also just use this unlocked staking, or you can just refer a friend to earn money. Now this can make you a little bit more than $50, but maybe staking is the best option because you actually save money. You simply invest your money like you would in a bank. So you invest a certain amount of USDT or Bitcoin, whatever your budget may be, and then you lock it in for a few months, and in return you get interest. Because if you put money in the bank today, you won't get any interest. For example, in banks there's no interest rates for saving money because they don't need more money and actually want to get rid of it. However, if you stake crypto currently on various platforms, you can actually earn interest rates. And in my opinion, instead of getting distracted by flashy promises and distractions, I'd recommend focusing your time and effort on a genuine side hustle. Find something you can work on and dedicate time to, and you enjoy the results as you make progress. This process will bring you happiness and satisfaction when you see the outcomes. Now, of course, there are many options available to achieve that. One way is to create your own YouTube channel. Since there is a growing interest in crypto, you can see from Google Trends that it's gaining popularity in web searches and YouTube searches. And YouTube searches show even better results because you can see here, this is when crypto was down. This was when it was around 16k, but now you can see that it has increased in price and it happened extremely fast. Take a look at this graph here. So it went up very fast and all of a sudden people were interested in crypto again. And of course they're looking on YouTube. They watch the videos and don't actually buy the crypto. Maybe they don't care because they just want to know more and gain some knowledge. Now I know not everyone likes to show their face on camera or record your own voice, but what you can do is simply delegate work so you can outsource the video. There's plenty of videos on YouTube showing how you can do it, so I'm not going to go into more detail about it. Basically, I'm trying to tell you to find a side hustle that suits you best, or maybe you can just try your luck at freelancing. Now freelancing is also a good business. You set up your work schedule, choose your clients, and you can decide when to work or when to take some time off. So if you've got talent, go sell it. Use places like Fiverr or Upwork. This can be really profitable if you invest your time, or just create yourself a YouTube channel like this. This guy doesn't even show his face and gets tons of views. You can actually see that this guy is making around $3,000 a month just by showing his trades. Now that's a decent income right there. So to sum it up, rather than getting caught up in attractive but empty promises from Bitcoin cloud miners who only want you to trade on their platform, it's better to invest your time in something more lucrative. Use your time to earn a new skill, and trust me, just learn a new skill and then sell it. You'll see it happens naturally, and you start with something small and it grows over time. It will feel good because it's a positive progress. So do some research, find something that you love and have a passion for, and everything will work out the way you want it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.